Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by clarifying the core entities and the keys that uniquely identify them. This prevents redesign later. Create tables for customers, orders, products, and suppliers, and set primary keys now. Once done, add indexed lookup fields for performance. Make sure to choose appropriate data types, text, number, date, so storage matches use. Begin creating one-to-many relationships and plan any many-to-many join tables. This first action shapes forms, queries, and reports downstream. Now construct queries that transform data into actionable views. Use parameter queries for dynamic filters and action queries for controlled bulk changes. Design split forms so you get an editable detail pane while listing records for fast selection, and embed subforms for related child records. Once form layout is stable, implement referential integrity and selective cascading to prevent orphaned rows. Make sure to test queries on a copy of the data to avoid finish by optimizing and securing the database. Compact and repair, review indexes, and confirm normalization eliminates redundancy. Split the application into a backend for data and a frontend for UI, then distribute the frontend to user machines. This improves concurrency and simplifies updates. When things go wrong, check relationships and referential rules first, then review query parameters, form record sources, and record locks. These are the common culprits that break data entry or reporting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.